I thought they were going to, didn't Meineke tell you that they're just
Yes.
going to do it for free and put the engine in?
Yes.
And are they still doing that?
Yes. They have the engine.
They're waiting for parts from GM?
No.
I don't get what's going on.
Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to my fucking... Why do you think I'm making these goddamn noises? Are you for real?
Don't get mad at me.
No shit, dude. Corporate said, you gotta calm down. You gotta calm down. And now you're saying you gotta calm down. And I'm like, when the fuck do I get to be...
When did I tell you to calm down? I'm over here soaking it in.
Calm down.
Trying to be here. I've turned my microphone about 30 fucking degrees because I don't want to catch a stray. Oh my God.
Exactly. Yeah. Oh my God, exactly.
You said GM.
No, the general manager.
Okay. Yeah, which would make less sense because it's a Volkswagen. Oh my God.